A warm word of welcome to everyone as we about to celebrate my sister Elma 50th birthday. Salamat gid kayo ni Manang no. Among family is inanimi ka happy, inanimi ka kanang dili mi anad no, but tungod kay niabot ang panahon gyud nga it's time to shine. So now let's capture some magical moments of my sister. Let's create a happy memories and surround ourselves with laughter and everything for her birthday. Joyful birthday Manang, welcome, and let us enjoy everyone.
I'm so happy like all others here na naka-attend ng inyong big event ni Inday.
My dearest, beautiful, lovely wife, Inday Elma. Even after half a century, your beauty is still mesmerizing.
Ma-feel yun na akong love song parents bisag layo ba bisag layo ba kanang inana gani ma-feel nyo like inani day nagyapoy mangumusta gyapon na bisag I love you, happy birthday kayo ay sa tibok kalibutan.
Whatever you do, do it heartily as to the Lord, not unto men. Whatever desires of your heart, only God will answer for it now. So, ihatag na tanan sa iya. I am your manghod. I am your yaniyan. I love you, Manang.